Hey guys, it's a girl Chomivi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very delicious milky puff puff, and at the end of this video I'm going to be sharing with you the secret on how to get a very fluffy puff puff. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. The first thing you will do is for you to sieve your flour in order to remove any lumps, okay? Then you add your milk, add your salt, and then you add your instant dry yeast, okay? And now I'm using cinnamon flavor, okay? You can use nutmeg, but I love the flavor. I love cinnamon flavor. Mix the dry ingredient very thoroughly and then create a hole in the middle. This is going to be receiving your liquid milk and your sugar. Trust me guys, the taste you will get by doing this is totally different from the taste you will get when you add your sugar directly to the flour. Pour in your warm milk and then add in your sugar to dissolve in the milk, okay? This is going to bring out a very unique flavor and also enhancing the sweetness of the sugar. If you haven't tried this before, please start doing it. The difference is too much, and it's going to take your puff puff to another level. What doing is what doing well, right? Okay, so I keep turning it until it gets to a stage whereby I can no longer turn it with the spoon. So I just had to use my clean hands. Guys, my hands are washed and they are clean, okay? Alright, now it's just to start mixing it, okay? Just start mixing it, and then as you are mixing, you keep adding your liquids until you get the desired consistency that you want, okay? Don't forget the correct recipe that I used here. I'm going to be putting it in the description box, so go and check the description box, okay? I will leave everything for you. Now we just to continue mixing and adding your liquid milk. What I actually added here, just some water, okay, because the liquid milk was finished, so I had to add some water. There's nothing wrong with it. So guys, this is the secret I want to share with you. Make sure you keep turning your puff puff batter. Just keep turning it, okay, until you get this silky consistency. It makes a great difference. You won't know until you try it, okay? Can you see how it is? Just, oh my goodness, it makes a great difference. It makes your puff puff so fluffy and very nice, like very nice. Makes all the ingredients to dissolve very well in your batter, okay? Just imagine the kind of delicious puff puff you're gonna have by doing this. So the next thing is just to seal it, okay? Sealing your puff puff, you can cover it with whatever that you have at home, okay? Just make sure that you seal it very well before you take it to a warm place for it to rise. This is going to rise for about 40 minutes. It really rises very fast because you see I took my time to really mix the batter, so it didn't take time to rise. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. Guys, if you're really liking this video, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Comment, like and share. It's well appreciated. When you do this, YouTube will know that you love my content and they will start recommending my content for others to watch too. Thank you so much for this, guys. I'm counting on you all. As you can see, I had to mix it again. When you do this, it makes your puff puff even more soft, okay? And it keeps rising. As it is now, it will even take up to 10 minutes for it to rise again. So let's get to the frying part. In an empty frying pan, pour in your oil, okay? So look at the color of my oil. The color of my oil changed because I had to add some old oil that I have. Please don't report me to the elders, okay? Alright, so that is onion that I just fried in it. It makes a great difference and it enhances the flavor too. Okay, you see that bubbling in that oil? It means that the temperature is okay. The temperature is not too hot and not too low, okay? Because if it is too slow, it's your puff puff is going to be like drinking a lot of oils. All right, it's even bubbling more than this because I had to increase the speed of this video a bit so that it doesn't get too long. That is why it's even that's why you're getting more bubbles, okay, than you should. But the temperature was just okay for the puff puff.
Verily I say unto you,
Guys, can you see those nice and delicious looking puff? Oh my goodness. Please, if you like this video, show some love. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share. Okay, it really go a long way in helping the growth of this channel. Thanks guys, we can do it together. Cause I go to the Father, and I pray to the Father, He shall give you a comforter, who will be with you forever, cause you are all my friends. So I'll just go ahead to fry the rest of the puff, okay? I'm tired of it all. Let not your heart be troubled. Believe in God also in me. My Father has many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I'll go prepare a place for you. Then I will receive you myself, where you will be with me forever. Cause you are all my friends. You are all my friends. That's the final result and it tastes so delicious, trust me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.